Can y'all believe that this year is pretty much over? I mean, we're rolling into October already. Freaking September just blew by real quick. This whole year blew by pretty fast, I'm not gonna lie to you. As y'all know, with Jordan releases, at the end of the year, we usually get a Jordan 11 release. That's just like the Christmas specialty, right? Or the holiday specialty. They release a Jordan 11, and they're gonna be releasing the cool grays again in 2021. So we're gonna talk about that a little bit today. But before we do that, stay hydrated. Make sure you guys drink some water. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here, and today, as I mentioned, we're gonna be talking about the 2021 Cool Gray 11s. Can y'all hear that? One second. Okay, that's probably better. My bad. So we're gonna be doing this video a little bit different. It's not gonna be your ordinary sneaker review because I don't have the sneakers with me. Now, Alex,
how are you gonna be reviewing or looking at the shoes when you don't have them in hand?
Well, the lovely people over at Twin Soles actually sent me these video clips. I hit them up because I saw that they posted that they had these for sale. So I was like, hey, yo, Twin Soles, can you bless us with, you know, some up close shots, some HD shots of the Cool Gray 11s to show you guys? And they were down for that. So if you guys need anything, make sure you check them out on Instagram at Twin Soles. I have their thing right here. You can buy, sell, trade with them on Instagram. I've known them for a pretty long time. So solid dudes, man. I appreciate you guys sending me these clips so we can review them together. So as I mentioned previously, at the end of the year, we usually get an Air Jordan 11 release. Now these are set to release on December 11th, 2021 for the retail price of $225. Now I don't remember if that's a price increase from last year's Jordan 11. I don't even remember what last year's Jordan 11 was. That's how bad my memory is nowadays, all right? Young SneakerHeadInTheBay is turning into old grandpa SINTB. But regardless, I think 225 might be slightly higher than last year's, only by like $5 or $10. I'm pretty sure last year was maybe like 220. If not, it was probably 225. So that's what we should expect for the Air Jordan 11s, 225 with tax, probably around 235, 240. So that is what to expect with the Cool Grays. Let's get into some of these video clips that the homies sent over. Let's see what we got here. Put me in the box on the side so y'all can see the clips. Editor, can you? Okay, there we go. I think it's working now. Let's take a look at this box together, man. Okay, so we got a gray Air Jordan 11 box this time. I'm glad that they went with the top front box, or whatever you guys want to call it, instead of the slide box. The slide box, mad annoying with the plastic insert. I don't like all that. Give me easy access to the sneakers and I'll be a happy camper. So cool box, man. It goes with the gray vibes. Let's take a look at the sneakers a little bit. The cut of the sneaker, we have a little bit more of like that higher patent leather look, which is the first time that we get this on the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray model. Now, I believe this model released only 2 times before, 2010 and the 2001, if I'm not mistaken. So this will be the 3rd retro. Again, don't quote me on any of this stuff. This is just based off of my memory, and you know how my memory is not that great. So the one with the icy soles on this one. The other 2 releases had the clear icy sole, and this one is adopting that blue translucent sole. Comment down below if you guys are enjoying that. Personally, man, I don't really mind. You do the icy, you do the blue icy, whatever it is. I think it still looks pretty cool. Taking a quick look at the lace game. The laces are your typical Air Jordan 11 laces. Let's be honest, man, that's how they're gonna keep all the Jordan 11s. Now, if you guys didn't know this, when I was first getting into sneakers, I didn't know what people were talking about when they're like, the laces are inspired by the basketball net. So when I started, you know, going to school, I started taking a look at the basketball net and I was like, I see it now. So if you guys didn't know that, that is the inspiration for the shoelaces of the sneaker. Pretty fitting, right? And of course, the 3rd spacing with the Jumpman Jordan tag. Who remembers the fakes back in the day? It would say like Jumpman Jockman or some weird stuff. And you gotta tilt the shoe sideways to see it and read it properly. But based on looks, man, this shoe looks like a pretty standard Air Jordan 11. It looks like, you know, your typical Air Jordan 11 construction with that higher patent leather. In terms of sizing for the Air Jordan 11s, I recommend going true to size. This is where I wish I had it in hand, but I did do my due diligence. I watched a couple videos on this sneaker to hear how the quality was. So shout out to the boy Mike Rich for doing a, nice little quality check, nice little review. I'll have his Instagram down below in the description with his YouTube channel as well if you guys want to check out his review. But he said that the quality is pretty good on these Jordan 11s. So when it comes to Jordan 11s, there's not really too much in terms of the quality. On this specific pair, we do have nubuck, which is pretty nice. But other than that, you're not going to be able to tell the quality of the patent leather or even the mesh when the Jordan 11s do have mesh. All right, I feel like there's going to be a lot of pairs. I feel like the popularity of Jordan 11s has definitely dwindled a slight bit, man. The Jordan 1s and Dunk Wave have been taking over the game, but I remember when the Concord 11s released, everybody and their mom had to get them. They had to get the Bread 11s, and then after that, man, it was like game over from then. Like when Christmas season comes around, people love Jordan 11s. I feel like you'll have a good shot at them, and if you guys aren't able to purchase for retail, you could probably get these for a very good price on the resale market. I'm expecting them to sell at around like 265 to 80-ish because the Space Jams did the same thing, man. Of course, they rose in price over the years, but like, it shouldn't be too bad. It shouldn't be too bad. And as far as myself, man, I don't see myself wearing these. I used to love Jordan 11s like crazy, but I'm gonna be honest with you. Every time that I get a pair, I don't end up wearing them. It's just one of those sneakers that, sits and I'm just like, okay, this is a cool shoe, but how often do I actually wear these? And now that I'm older, I'm just chilling, bro. Like, I don't need every single sneaker that releases. And I'm just waiting for that shoe that, really gets the juices flowing like it used to. If you gave me this back in high school, I would definitely be all over it. I've been through so many sneakers. I've had so many things come and go, and this one is just all right for me, man. But you guys let me know what you think about the cool gray 11s. Once again, I want to give a huge shout out to my homies over at Twin Soles for providing these images, these videos, and all that good stuff. If you guys want to check out their shop, they do have a bunch of other sneakers on their website. I'll have the info listed down below in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this style of a video. I know it's a little bit different than what I usually do when it comes to reviews, but if you guys like these, I could probably get you more early reviews from the homies over at Twin Soles. All right, so let me know everything in the comment section down below, and once again, I hope y'all have a beautiful weekend, and I'll catch y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Deuces. Shoo.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.